think that one even ate something. Just
what are they chewing?
Gums. Bamboo flavor.
they just like to exercise their jaw. Alright, let's go. The lion claw. Really? Oh, look over there, the small ones. Lion claw, wait. You see orange down there? By there's 3 big ones. There's the small one over there.
It's too
You see the
far.
furthest away?
One male and 2 females.
Oh, you could go.
Those are big.
Huh? So big.
It just stand there.
Yeah.
It's meditating.
So fast.
No.
Take a picture.
Not a statue.
Look, the lady's taking the picture out of the way.
Jada's been taking a million pictures.
Empty
The strokes just stand there doing nothing.
It's like wearing so much clothing.
See?
You can ride on it. And the egg is so fucking.
This big? Oh, look how it's wet.
Yeah, it died. It made me so sad. You know, in the winter I sick. It's too cold.
You have one before?
Oh no,
Same one.
there's a vegetable in there.
It died.
So healthy.
I want to buy a turtle.
They have a small one.
No, I had that one. It's only this big. It died. Because I forgot to feed it.
What's that?
Shit. Something. It's something.
Oh, it's moving.
Stop. This is for baby turtles. Yeah. Jump.
You won't let go.
Yeah.
Swing.
Swing. I can't find it now. Where is it?
There's a big one.
On his He's getting out.
Hesitating. Too lazy.
Understand those levels.
That's right.
You should learn how to swim like
It's just other stuff.
They move so slow, it'll take days to get on the other turn.
You see, he's
push
so
it down.
bad. He's pushing. He's pushing down.
Ahí están chiquitos.
Eso que me lo queda.
Ya vamos, ¿ya?
Let it out. You wanna get out?
The one that I told you.
The water make it look huge.
It's huge.
She's taking a picture.
It's not that big. The water make it. Matthew, it's not that big. The water like magnifies.
Look, they're kissing, Mommy. Mommy, they're Oh, you
Yeah, where are they? Take a video. Take a video.
Están jugando.
What are they doing? Are they playing some games?
You don't catch me.
Hide and seek.
Mira.
hide and seek.
Mira, él va a ir a cogerlo por el otro lado.
The chest is a bit long.
El otro se quedó escondido.
It's up slowly.
Oh, it's coming over here. Oh my god. What? You wanna come out? Oh, what is it trying to do?
Just sit up.
You see him?
Oh, you wanna do ballet?
Oh, they like to do that. Look, it's so strong.
They are dancing.
I